A few years ago, there was this trend where a lot of people were sharing this lottery meme which claimed that poverty would be solved by dividing the Powerball among 300 million people. Here is a screenshot of that meme. Unfortunately, the math is technically incorrect, and it would actually equal about $4.33 per person, instead of $4,330,000 per person. Bummer, right? So now, if you believe the meme at first, am I going to spend the rest of this article acting like some douchebag 5th grade teacher by reprimanding and ridiculing you for doing a math problem wrong? No, I'm not, but I will be talking about the plethora of people who would do exactly that. What pisses me off the most isn't the people who did the math problem wrong and shared the meme with good intentions. It's an honest mistake, and I'm not going to start viciously chewing it out and reprimanding people for doing a fucking math problem wrong. It's fine. But what isn't fine is all of the hell monkeys who want to scream at others and viciously mock them for doing the math problem wrong. Think about it, do you really want to be friends with someone who is going to act like an obnoxious 5th grade teacher, and ruthlessly mock and ridicule you for doing a math problem wrong? Probably not. Now, I'm not going to lie, me and a few other people on my friends list fell for the meme at first, but once I realized that the math was incorrect, I was really chill about letting others know about it. I distinctly recall going to my friend's Facebook post sharing this and saying something along the lines of, "No offense, but the math is technically incorrect, it equals $4.33 per person." See, it's easy to correct people's honest mistakes without acting like a total douche when they do a fucking math problem wrong. But what really got me aggravated was all of these self-righteous hell monkeys making all of these obnoxious posts horribly ridiculing those who did the math problem wrong. Literally, there was this one person on my friends list who shared a meme of Batman hitting Robin, and Batman was saying, "It equals $4.33 per person, not $4,330,000, idiot." Really? She wants to hit somebody for doing a fucking math problem wrong? Why would you want to be friends with someone like that? And plus, we all know beyond a reasonable doubt that a lot of the people who want to self-righteously poke fun at others for the incorrect math just so happen to fall for it as well at first. So they're just a bunch of hypocritical douchebags, right? Like most people in general? Here's the thing, I'm not even all about unconditional mercy and compassion. I do think that there is a reasonable time to draw the line and stop cutting people crazy amounts of slack, and that's basically when your forgiveness gets abused by malevolent hell monkeys. But at the same time, I do think that if somebody makes an honest minor mistake such as doing a fucking math problem wrong, then it's reasonable to cut them some slack in those instances. That's just what gets me. So many people typically want to preach all of this forgiveness and letting go stuff, yet most of those same exact people will cut you absolutely no slack over the littlest things. If these shitheads really believe in forgiveness and letting go so fucking much, then why can't they just forgive and let go of the incorrect math problem? Either way, I'm not going to try to force you to not hang around these people, and I use the term lightly. If you really want to give these hell monkeys benefit of the doubt, which they'll probably abuse, and keep hanging around them, that's your decision. However, if you really want my advice, if you really want my recommendation, then I'm obviously going to strongly recommend that you stop being friends with these people, unless they apologize and change for the better, which is unlikely to happen. Again, why the fuck would you want to hang around somebody who is going to act like some douchebag 5th grade teacher, and start douching all over you just for doing a fucking math problem wrong? Does it really seem like a good idea to be friends with them? Do you really want to hang around somebody like that? Probably not. Unless you are an extreme masochist who enjoys mental abuse.